Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I made this simple macaroni dish that you can whip up quickly. So I'm going to be using this brand of macaroni, which is Golden Penny, and I'm just going to pour it into my boiling water. So I'm going to leave this to boil for like 10 minutes. I actually want it to be soft. And then I'm going to chop up some onions I'm going to use. I'm also going to be using some carrots. I didn't have much ingredients at home and I just really needed something quick and easy. So I'm just going to chop the carrots. And then I'm also going to be using some sausages. I'm going to chop the sausages into smaller bits. I'm not going to be using anything that requires serious cooking in this recipe because I needed something quick to eat on this day. And this was the easiest thing I could lay my hands on. And I'm also going to be using stew to cook this meal. So next up, I'm going to pound my garlic. I used 2 cloves of garlic. You can also add ginger if you want, but I didn't add ginger. And I'm going to pound it just to release the juice. You can also chop your garlic up. It depends on how you like it, but this is how I like mine. So like all the juices and flavor just enters the dish. So now I'm going to drain my macaroni, and I'll be using red wine, oyster sauce, soy sauce, curry, thyme, pepper, salt, just all the seasonings you need basically. You can also add your own preferred seasoning. You don't have to use what I used, but this is just what I used, and some nut cubes. So yeah, this is the stew I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to go ahead and fry my onions, carrots and sausages. You really want your sausage to cook because it's raw at this point, so you have to cook it to like halfway before you add your stew. Then I'm going to add some soy sauce just to like release some flavor. Just going to keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. I'm going to add some curry. Next up, I've added my stew and just going to let this fry for a bit. Then I'm going to add some water. Next up, I'm going to add some red wine. I use half a cup. You can use your measuring cup for this. Don't add too much wine so that you don't mess up the taste of your food. As I'm adding the wine, I'm going to let this boil for like a few minutes before I add my macaroni. You want all that flavor to get in. I'm going to add some thyme, some pepper, and now I'm going to add my macaroni. So as you can see, my macaroni is soft, so it's just going to be mixed into the sauce, and I'm adding some nut cubes. Please season according to your taste. I added the seasoning cubes at this point because the stew already had some seasoning, and then I'm adding water just to make everything go around. I'm also going to add my oyster sauce at this point, the last thing I'll add. Then I'm going to add some veggies afterwards, sweet corn and green peas. So So yeah, it's done now. Just mix and it's done now, and this is the final result. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you get to try this recipe out. So give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe, you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.